Imagine a universe where the most extraordinary objects in the cosmos are missing, a universe devoid of neutron stars. It might seem like a distant, hypothetical scenario, but the consequences would ripple through the fabric of reality, leaving a cosmic scar that would reverberate for eons. Neutron stars are incredibly dense objects, formed from the collapsed cores of massive stars. They're so dense that a teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. However, even denser are black holes. These cosmic behemoths have such a strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape, making them appear completely black. If neutron stars were to become less common, the cosmic recycling process would be disrupted. Elements forged within their cores, like gold and platinum, would become scarce. The universe would be robbed of its most precious metals, leaving us with a world of diminished resources. Without the gravitational influence of neutron stars, planets and other celestial bodies could become destabilized. Orbits could shift, leading to collisions and chaos. In some cases, planets might be ejected from their solar systems entirely, leaving them adrift in the cosmic void. The absence of neutron stars could also affect the formation of black holes. Supernovae, which often lead to the creation of neutron stars, might instead collapse directly into black holes, accelerating the cosmic aging process. In a universe with fewer neutron stars, the cosmos would become a much darker, more desolate place. The vibrant tapestry of celestial objects would be significantly diminished, leaving behind a universe of shadows. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe.